Hello guys, today I will show you how to sell tickets on Ticketmaster. So in order to sell your tickets on Ticketmaster, you'll have to first of all navigate to ticketmaster.com. So search for Ticketmaster, then click on the ticketmaster.com's link and you'll be taken over to this page. On this page, you will see the sign in or register option at the top. If you're new to Ticketmaster, click on the sign in or register option, then create a new account. And if you already have an account, just click on sign in and log in using your user credentials. After this, you will see my account page. Now, after navigating here, you'll have to click on the sell option at the top right of the screen. As you can see here, it says sell. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now on this page, you can sell your tickets on Ticketmaster. Click on list your tickets and it will take you to another page. As you can see, you can sell your tickets in 3 easy steps. The first one is selecting tickets to sell. If you purchase tickets from Ticketmaster and the event organizer has enabled resale for your event, you can list your tickets from your account. Now at the next step, you will have to set your price. So you can set your price using the pricing tool and see exactly how much you will be paid when your tickets sell. Now, third step will be getting paid. When your tickets sell, you will get paid via your selected method of payment, typically within 7 business days after event. So just following these 3 steps will help you sell your tickets on Ticketmaster. Now, you'll have to just click on list your tickets button on this page and it will take you to this page. And I currently don't have any tickets that I can sell. But if you'll have your tickets in the upcoming events, you will see your tickets where you can easily sell them. You will see the sell option just right here. Now you can also navigate to my listings and see all the listings for tickets you would have done. So this is the way through which you can sell your tickets on Ticketmaster. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.